Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we are gonna practice articles. Article is very simple. A or N is called indefinite articles. We use A before a singular noun beginning with the consonant sound. N used before a singular noun beginning with the vowel sound. We don't give a specific identification to the noun by adding A or N. We don't use A or N before uncountable or plural nouns. The or pronunciation the called definite articles. It doesn't matter whether it comes singular or plural, countable or uncountable. In both cases, we can use these articles the. If the noun is in a consonant sound, we used to say the. If the noun is in a vowel sound, we used to say the. The or the used to describe someone or something specific or unique. More videos, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.